then, guys?
Okay, we're in Chapel Allerton now, so this is our third stop on the tour, and this is a wildlife pond with a spillway bowl, and it's actually a planted spillway bowl, so really interesting what we've done there for filtration, and you can see it's absolutely the gem of the garden. So it's a multi-level garden. You see there's like a seating area down there, and originally this was just lawn, so they had it landscaped, just built up, and it was just lawn. You can almost see it if you follow these edging along. It was just a square and it was just all lawn. So the clients are really into gardening. They love plants, but also they love wildlife. So in particular, they wanted to attract aquatic wildlife, as well as the birds, as well as the bees and butterflies. So this project was building a wildlife pond. So you can see it's only a shallow wildlife pond. In the UK, we don't need to go that deep for a wildlife, for the aquatic wildlife. Lots of little hidey holes, using the nice glacial boulders for things like frogs and newts and those kind of things. And the way that we've done the filtration, we've created an intake bay. So this is a 2000 pump, the Aquascape 2000 pump, and that's actually hidden away within an aqua block. So we've cut a recess into an aqua block to create almost like a little, pump vault to stop things getting in. And that's like a little mini intake bay. So anything that falls in is going to come along the pond and just kind of go into that corner where it can be fished out by the client. So it's quite low maintenance really in terms of a pond. But obviously this spillway bowl here is what is doing all the filtration. So you can see now we've got plants in here. All the water that's coming through this pond has got to come up through all this gravel, all this different filter media, where all the bacteria is going to live, that's going to help filter this water, keep it nice and clear. Yep. And straight back into the pond. So yeah, this was our first pond we did together.
This was.
Simon joined the team, so a bit of a learning curve.
I think there's one down there at the bottom that's hidden.
That's and Simon picked all the plants. He designed the planting scheme again, kind of like a wildlife-friendly planting scheme. Yep. And yeah, it's really good for him to come on this job because it's just so different. I think when you actually come and see your first pond that's actually got rocks inside, of the rocks and the gravel, and the way the filtration works with a spillway bowl. There's actually an aqua block under there as well, yes, to give it that height and a bit of extra water storage and for all the pipework to come up. So it's really a unique little pond and just really blends naturally into this garden. So you can see the views from the house. They've kind of got 3 levels and all these kind of bedrooms, windows they can look out of, and it just looks fantastic. They sent me pictures from up there as well, saying how it just really brings the garden to life. That's what we want. We want them to be able to sit outside and enjoy the sounds, enjoy the sights, and obviously be able to see the wildlife, see the birds coming to drink. And what was it they said last time we came about the birds coming sitting on the edge and...
Yeah, bathing underneath the water.
Yeah, they come and sit on the edge of the spillway bowl and they'll just kind of bathe their wings and splash around. So yeah, really, really beautiful little project.